Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, vacation edition. We are in Summerville, Georgia, which is northwest of Atlanta. Today we are touring the home of Dunya Camp. Tucked far away from any thoughts of busyness, on a mystical hilltop, are 6 luxury tent suites nestled within 42 pine-filled acres. Dunya is ideal for those who want to enjoy the great outdoors and the wonderful feeling of seclusion with a touch of glamour. Dunya is yours to shape and mold, a canvas for you to paint with your own experiences. They just provide the luxuriously cozy opportunity from which to make it happen. Dunya is a word with several powerful meanings. On the one hand, it represents our beautiful earthly world, boundless and unscripted, without boundaries. It also means closer. Our vision is to bring you closer to the earth, closer to the ones you love, and closer to yourself. Summerville, Georgia has a very interesting history. It was once a prolific place for growing peaches and then reverted to strawberries, which was transported to many areas of the country on the very special train. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like, and subscribe. Now let's finish the tour.
Perfect. Perfect.